ये है हमारा नीट पीवाईक्यू सीरीज की 4th वीडियो। इसमें हम एनिमल किंगडम के सारे पीवाईक्यू नीट पीवाईक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which of the following statement is correct about location of the male frog copulator pair? Options: A, second digit of forelimb; B, first digit of forelimb; C, first and second digit of forelimb; D, first digit of fore hind limb. So correct is B, first digit of forelimb. Next question. Role of the water vascular system in echinoderms is respiration and locomotion. This is correct. Excretion and locomotion. This is not role. Next, C, capture and transport of food. So, water vascular system का ये रोल है. D, digestion and respiration. ये रोल नहीं है. E, digestion and excretion. ये भी रोल नहीं है. So A and C only. Option D. Next question. All living members of the class Cyclostomata are: A, symbiotic; B, ectoparasite; C, free living; D, endoparasite. So all living members of the class Cyclostomata are ectoparasite. So option B. Next question. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A है, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. This statement is assertion is correct. And reason है, the members of subphylum Vertebrata possess notochord during the embryonic period, but the notochord is replaced by cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in adults. ये reason भी correct है. So assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct expression of A. Next. Match list 1 with list 2. Chondrichthyes match with Carcharodon. Cyclostomata match with Myxin. Osteichthyes match with Clarius. And D, Amphibia match with Ichthyophis. So option C is correct. Next. Open circulatory system is present in option A, Palemon, Nereis, and Balanoglossus. B, Hirudinaria bombyx salpa. C, Anopheles, Limax, Limulus. D, Ferretima, mucus, and Pila. So option C, open circulatory system present in Anopheles, Limax, and Limulus. Next question. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A, other is labeled as reason R. So assertion A है, members of subphylum Vertebrata possess notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in adult. So assertion is correct. Next reason है, reason R. Thus all chordates are vertebrates. No, not all vertebrates are chordates. Reason है false है. So assertion is true, but reason is false. Next. Match list 1 with list 2. Pleurobranchia is matched with Ctenophora. Radula match with Mollusca. Stomochord match with Hemichordata. And air bladder presented Ctenophora. Match with air bladder presented Osteichthyes. So option B. Next. Consider the following statement. A, annelids are two true coelomates. B, poriferans are pseudo-coelomates. C, aschelminthes are coelomates. B, D, platyhelminthes are pseudo-coelomates. So choose the correct answer from the following. So जो A है, annelids are true coelomates, ये correct है. So only A. Next question. Match list 1 with list 2. So pterophyllum है वो मैच विथ एंगलफिश, मिक्सिन है वो मैच विथ hagfish, Ristis Pristis match with sawfish, and Exocytus match with flying fish. So option B. Next, the following are the statements above non-correct. A. Pharynx pharynx is perforated by gill slits. So this is wrong. Next, notochord is absent about non-chordates. So B is correct. C. Central nervous system is dorsal. No, it is not correct. D. Heart is dorsal if present. This statement about non-chordates is correct. Next, post-anal tail is absent. This statement is also correct. So B, D, and E. Option C. Next question. Radial symmetry is not found in adults of phylum A. Option A, Hemichordata. Option B, Coelenterata. Option C, Echinodermata. Option D, Ctenophora. So, radial symmetry is not found in phylum Hemichordata. So, option A. Next question. The unique mammalian characteristics are A. Hair, pinna, and mammary glands. B. Hair, pinna, and indirect development. C. Pinna, monocondylic skull, and mammary gland. D. Hair, tympanic membrane, and mammary glands. So, the unique mammalian characteristics are hair, pinna, and mammary glands. So option A. Next question. Select the correct statement with reference to chordates. Statement A. Presence of mid-dorsal solid and double nerve cord. This statement is wrong. Next. Presence of closed circular system. This statement is correct. Next. Statement C. Presence of paired pharyngeal gill slits. This statement is correct. And D. Presence of dorsal heart. This statement is incorrect. Of statement E, triploblastic pseudoxylomates animals. This statement is also incorrect. So only B and C. So option A. Next, match list 1 with list 2. So contractile vacuole is present in amoeba. Uh, Water vascular system is present in Asterias. Canal system present in Spongia, Spongilla, and flame cells present in Tinea. So option D is our correct. Next, select the correct statement. So statement A, platyhelminthes are triploblastic pseudocoelomates and bilaterally symmetrical organisms. This statement is incorrect. Next statement B, ctenophores reproduce only sexually and fertilization is external. This statement is correct. Next statement, in tape 1, fertilization is internal but sexes are not separate. This statement is correct. Next statement D. Ctenophores are exclusively marine, diploblastic, and bioluminescent organisms. This statement is also correct. Next statement E. In sponges, fertilization is external and development is direct. This statement is incorrect. So only B, C, D statement is correct. So option B. Next, radial symmetry is not found in adult of phylum A. Hemichordata, B. Coelenterata, C. Echinodermata, D. Ctenophora. So radial symmetry is not found in adult phylum of Hemichordata. Next question. Which of the following animals has three-chambered heart? Options A. Pteropus, C. Scoliodon, C. Hippocampus, D. Chelone. And so which chelone animals has three-chamber heart? Next question. Select the incorrect statement with respect to cyclostomes. Statement A. They lack scales and paired fins. Next, B statement. They have circular mouth with jaws. Next statement. C. They bear 6 to 15 of pairs of gills. Next statement D. They migrate to deep sea of spawning. So correct, incorrect statement A. They have a circular mouth with jaws. This incorrect statement. And they migrate to deep sea for spawning. This statement is also incorrect. So B and D only. Next statement. Next question. Exoskeleton of arthropod is composed of. So option A, cutin, option B, cellulose, option C, chitin, option D, glucosamine. So exoskeleton of arthropods is composed of chitin. Option C. Next question. In which of the following animals digestive tract has additional chambers like crop and gizzard? So option A, Corvus, Columba, and Camelon. B, Bufo, Balanoptera, Bangaris. C. Catla columba crocodilus. D. Pavo sitaculum corvus. So option D. Pavo sitacula and corvus. As digestive tract has additional chambers like crop and gizzard. Next question. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. So assertion A. So Assertion A, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. And reason A, reason notochord is replaced by vertebral column in adult vertebrates. So assertion be correct or reason be correct. So both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Tegmina in cockroach arises from options A. Prothorax, B. Mesothorax, C. Metathorax, D. Prothorax and mesothorax. So Tegmina in cockroach arises from mesothorax. Option B. Which one of the following belongs to family Mucidae? Option A. Firefly, B. Grasshopper, C. Cockroach, D. Housefly. So housefly belongs to the family Mucidae. Next question. Read the following statements. A. Metagenesis is observed in helminths. This statement is incorrect. Next, echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate animals. This statement is correct. Next statement C. Roundworms have organ system level of body organization. This statement is correct. Next, comb plates are present in ctenophores help in digestion. This statement is incorrect. Next statement. Water vascular system is characteristic of echinoderm. This statement is also correct. So B, C, and E are correct. Option D. Next, match column 1 with column 2. Metamerism. Metamerism observed in Annelida. Canal system is present in Porifera. Comb plates are present in Ctenophora. Nidoblast present in Coelenterata. So option C. Next question. Match match column 1 with column 2. Physalia is Portuguese man of war. Limulus is living fossil. Uncyclostoma is hookworm. And Pinctada is pearl oyster. So option C. Next question. Which one of the following organism bears hollow and pneumatic long bone? Options A. Neophron, B. Hemidactylus, C. Macropus, D. Ornithorhynchus. So Neophron organism bears hollow and pneumatic long bones. Next question. Bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomorphs animals are exemplified by options A. Platyhelminthes, B. Aschelminthes, C. Annelida, and D. Ctenophora. So, bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomorph animals are exemplified by Platyhelminthes. Next question. Match the following columns and select the correct option. So, gregarious polyphagous pest is Locusta. Adult with radial symmetry and larva bilateral symmetry is Asterias. Book lung present in scorpion. D and bioluminescence present in Ctenophora. So, option A is our answer. Next question. Which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? First statement. In Eurochordata, notochord extends from head to tail and it is present throughout their life. This statement is correct. Next statement. In Vertebrata, notochord is present during the embryonic period only. This statement is also correct. Next statement. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. This statement about chordata is not correct. Next statement. Chordata is divided into three subphyla: Hemichordata, Tunicata, and Cephalochordata. This statement also incorrect. So only 1 and 2. Sorry, this statement is incorrect. This statement is correct. So only 2 and 3. Next statement. Next question. Match the following columns and select correct option. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits is present in cyclostomes. Next, heterocercal caudal fin is present in chondrichthyes. Air bladder is present in osteichthyes, and poison sting is present in trigon. So, option D. Next question. If the head of cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because option A, the cockroach does not have nervous system. No. The head holds the small portion of nervous system while the rest is stimulated the ventral part of its body. This statement is correct. Next question. Which of the following animals are true coelomates with bilateral symmetry? Option A. Annelids. B. Adult echinoderms. C. Escalmenthes. D. Platyhelminthes. So, annelids animals are true coelomates with bilateral symmetry. Next question. Consider the following features: A. Organ system level organization. B. Bilateral symmetry. C. True coelomates with a segmentation body. Select the correct option of animal group which possess all above characteristics. So, Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata have all possess above characteristic. So, option A. Next question. Column match column A, column 1 with column 2. So, Ophiura is Echinodermata. Physalia match with Coelenterata. C. Pinctada match with Mollusca. Planaria match with Platyhelminthes. So option C. Next question. Match the following organism with their respective characteristic. Pila has characteristic radula. Characteristic feature radula. Bombyx have malphizian tubules. And Plurobranchia have complex. Tinea have flame cells. So option B. Next question. Which of the following animals does not undergo metamorphosis? A. Earthworm. B. Tunicate. C. Starfish. D. Moth. So, earthworm animal does not undergo metamorphosis. Next question. Important characteristic that hemichordates share with chordate is option A. Ventral tubular nerve cord. B. Pharynx with gill slits. C. Pharynx without gill slits. D. Absence of notochord. So, pharynx with gill slits is the characteristic that hemichordates share with chordate. Next question. Which among these is the correct combination of aquatic animals, mammals, aquatic mammals? Option A, dolphin, seals, trigon. Option B, whales, dolphin, seals. Option C, trigon, whale, seals. Option D, seals, dolphin, shark. So, whales, dolphin, and seals are the correct combination of aquatic animals, mammals, aquatic mammals. Next question. Which of the following represents order of horse? Option A, Perissodactyla. B, Caballus. C, Ferus. D, Equidae. So, Perissodactyla is the represent order of horse. Next question. In case of poriferans, the spongiocele is lined with flagellated cells called option A. Oscula. B. Choanocytes. C. Mesenchymal cells. D. Ostia. So, in case of poriferans, the spongiocele is lined with flagellated cells called choanocytes. Next question. Choose the correct statement. All mammals give are viviparous. No, this statement is wrong. Next statement. All cyclostomes do not possess jaws and pair fins. This statement is correct. So option B. Next question. Which one of the following characteristic is not shared by birds and animals? Example option A, viviparity. B, warm-blooded nature. C, ossified endoskeleton. D, breathing using lungs. So viviparity is not shared by birds and mammals. Next question. Which of the following characteristic feature always holds true for the corresponding group of animals? Possess mouth with a upper and a lower jaw. Chordata. Not true for all. Next. Chamber heard with one incompletely divided ventricle reptilia. Cartilaginous endoskeleton. Contrary thighs. This pair is correct. So option C. Next question. Which of the following feature is not present in phylum Arthropoda? Option A, Parapodia. B, jointed appendages. C, chitinous exoskeleton. D, metameric segmentation. So, Parapodia feature is not present in the phylum Arthropoda. Next question. Body having meshwork of cells, internal cavities lined with food filtering, flagellated cells, and indirect development are the characteristics of phylum. Option A, Mollusca. B, Protozoa. C, Coelenterata. D, Porifera. Option D, Porifera. Characteristic of phylum. Next question. Metagenesis refers to option A, occurrence of drastic changes in form during post-embryonic development. B, presence of segmented body and parthenogenetic mode of reproduction. C, presence of different morphic forms. D, alteration of generation between asexual and sexual phases of organism. So metagenesis refers to alteration of generation between asexual and sexual phases of organism. Option D. Next question. A jawless fish which lays egg in fresh water and woos ammocytes a larva after metamorphosis return to the ocean is A. Neomyxin. B. Petromyzon. C. Iptatratus. D. Myxin. Option B. Petromyzon. Next question. Which of the following endoparasites of human does show viviparity? Does show viviparity? Option A, Trichinella spiralis. Option B, Ascaris lumbricoides. Option C, Ancylostoma duodenal. Option D, Enterobius vermicularis. So Trichinella spiralis is endoparasites of human that show viviparity. Next question. Which of the following represents the correct combination without any exception? First combination is sucking and circular mouth, jaws absent, integument without scales, appendages, cyclostomata. Exception is present in this combination. Next, body covered, body covered with feathers, skin moist and granular forelimbs, warm form, wings, lungs with air sacs, aves. In this combination, exception also present. Mammary glands, hair on body, pinna, two pairs of limb, mammalia. In this combination, the exception also present. Mouth, ventral, gills without operculum, skin with placoid scales, persistent notochord, chondrichthyes. In this combination, the exception also present. So, option E, none of the above. Next question. Which of the following animal is not viviparous? A. Platypus. B. Whale. C. Flying fox. The D. Elephant. So, duckbill platypus is the animal which is not viviparous, which is oviparous. Next question. Which of the following characteristics is mainly responsible for diversification of insect on land? A. Exoskeleton. B. Eyes. C. Segmentation. D. Bilateral. So, exoskeleton is the characteristic mainly responsible for diversification of insect on land. Next question. Select the taxon mentioned that represent both marine and freshwater species. Option A. Echinoderms. C. B. Ctenophora. C. Cephalochordata. D. Nidaria. So, option D. Nidaria that represent both marine and freshwater species. Next question. Which one of the following living organism completely lacks cell wall? Option A. Cyanobacteria. B. C. Fan. C. Fan. C. Saccharomyces. D. Blue-green algae. So, C. Fan living organism completely lacks cell wall. Next question. Planaria possess high capacity of regeneration. If we cut planaria, it gets regenerate. Next question. A marine cartilaginous fish that can produce electric current is A. Option A. Priestis. B. Torpedo. C. Trigon. D. Scoliodon. So, torpedo, a marine cartilaginous fish that can produce electric current, is torpedo. Next question. Which of the following are correctly matched with respect to their taxonomic classification? A. Housefly, butterfly, fly, silverfish, insecta. This is correct.